it is all about getting yourself together, y'all. All right, so hey y'all, I'm Amber Lykins, talking all about skin and makeup. And I just have to come to y'all to tell y'all all about the importance in making sure that you're putting just as much time into your skincare routine as you are your cosmetic routine. So if you're putting cosmetics on every single day and you're not taking care of your skin, you better check yourself, because we've got to get it together. All right, so here we go. I want to just tell y'all, I literally have just gotten up, okay, just a little while ago, and I just want to come to y'all super raw. So I'm going to do my whole morning routine with you and kind of explain to you what you should be doing as well. So absolutely, I hope you get some great tips from this. So let's get this hair in check. Love this super cozy robe from Victoria's Secret, and it's super cute. Look at that little heart. Oh, love this, and it's so cozy. All right, so I take this off. I already actually have my cleanser in my hand, so I'm gonna try to like hold my hand so I don't like rub it all over everything. But these little pieces right here, I love these. I have these in like every shade, these little headbands. So I just kind of take it right over my head, and then I pull my hair back just so those little flyaways stay out. I have a ton of these clips, but I lose them everywhere. I know y'all can relate to that. So these clips are great. I'm gonna pull that hair back, and then I get a little fluff on top. So if your hair is short, you don't have these issues. If your hair is like mine, you gotta get them out of your face. So, all right, so first is first, okay? Washing your face. So, okay, you wash your face at night, yeah, wash it again in the morning, okay? Don't skip it. Don't just splash water in your face and go out the door. Get some cleanser, do this whole routine. All right, so get a face wash that's actually age fighting. Also that if you can get it with repairing. So the products that I love, you guys, come from the cosmetic line Mary Kay Cosmetics, and I'm solely hooked. I've used it since I was in middle school. So what, like 11, 12, when I could start like thinking about it, of like what products I wanted to use. So I definitely have had some type of routine to my skincare for ages. Do y'all know how old I am? We can talk about that later. No, I'm definitely not scared of my age, but so I will have to say I'm in my 30s, 31. And so just making sure you're taking care of your skin, guys. So this has been a habit for me for years and years and years. But here's a washcloth. And I always like to use like colder water in the mornings just because it opens up my pores and it opens up my skin. I feel like the product absorbs better into your skin. So get a cleanser that's anti-aging, repairing your skin. And that's what I have to say to that. So use your cleanser, take everything off, and wash your face. That feels so much better. So taking that cleanser, taking it all off, cooler washcloth, just remember it just kind of wakes you up a little bit. So about the next treatment after that, your skin's a little bit still soft from the water and from that cleanser. It just feels super smooth. And so I like to take something that's actually going to, if I have any dryness or deadness to my skin, like little patches, my little trick and secret is a white tea and citrus like sugar scrub. So you can go into the kitchen and get your own sugar, but I like mine to already be created and fabulous and lots of research behind it. So before I just try to make my own concoction, which I am all about. But take this sugar scrub, take it on your lips first, take a little bit more, and take it on the dry spot. So I get dry around the nose and right on my eyelids. So this is gentle enough to do on a daily basis. If you do want more of a scrub, a facial peel, a masking product, absolutely you can do that. But in the mornings, I kind of like a really quick fix. So I take this scrub and I just scrub my lips really well with it. And also like my eyelids, they get so dry. It's weird during like the winter, fall, sometimes randomly. So I just like take this sugar scrub around my nose. You notice like the redness? It's just because it's dry skin. That's all it is. And I just treat it, obviously, but it gets more red the more I scrub it. And I just take a little bit of this scrub on the inner corners of my eyes because it's going to also help get some of that flakiness. The worst thing is putting on your makeup and you have like a dry patch or you see skin flaking. It's awful. So I just take this cloth again to make sure you're getting off the dryness. Most of us in the morning need a quick morning routine. So that's why I don't do always a mask or a peel or an exfoliation early in the morning, just because a lot of times I'm in such a rush that I want to give as much time as I can to treat that product. So sometimes at night is when I do more of my masking, or on the weekends or mid-afternoon if I'm home early or something like that, I can do that. But in the mornings, that's a quick fix to just exfoliating little patches of areas that you need to treat. You can go in with a product also to help treat a blemish if you have the dry spot is a blemish. And one of my quick fixes is something with salicylic acid, because what it does is it pulls out all the impurities in that. Now, a 2% of salicylic acid is such a safe amount of salicylic acid because it's going to dry out your skin. So if you're treating a blemish or a breakout, make sure you can either use a Q-tip, or if you're treating blackheads, use a cotton ball and you can kind of apply it all over. But I like to use a Q-tip just to, it's going to burn. Burn is good. I don't really have any other areas that I want to treat. So, and that burn is painful, but it's so great. No, but really, just because you've exfoliated, it's going to just open up those areas even more. Put that product in there so it can zap anything out. So some of that dryness is also having like a little whitehead breakout, and so that's going to treat that area. That's why I like to use salicylic acid on those spots. So make sure you do the same. And remember, 2% is such a safe amount. So the next thing I want to do is I want to use something that's actually going to brighten and even out my complexion on a daily basis. So I like something that has navy bean in it. Look into the ingredients and the products that you're trying to research and trying to find. Navy bean extract is like the strongest extract that actually help even out your complexion. So I'll put this all over, and I'll just kind of pull from the inside and I'll pull up. And also on your chin, forehead, cheeks. And then just kind of air that. And it just feels so nice. Now my face is so calm. It's soothed. It just feels nice. Then I love to take, while that's kind of setting and drying, a lip balm to now treat my lips after I scrub them. Because I'm getting everything in check. So before I'm putting lipstick on, I want to get my lips in check. Before I'm putting foundation on, same for my face. So we really do want to take care of our skin so our makeup looks more flawless. I'm all about flawless makeup and also just good skincare routine, because it honestly will thank you later. Your skin will thank you later. Others will notice, and it's just a big difference when you're definitely taking care of yourself like that. So use something more intense to hydrate your skin if you notice it being more dry. I love this intense moisturizer, and it comes in this jar. Now it is like the best stuff. It's a thick cream, but it definitely does the job. I have noticed that one treatment of this, my dryness is gone. It's just constant. It's something that you can treat it a couple times, and then days later, week later, you need to treat it again, because the weather is always going to be really rough on your skin. So we just want to continue to just treat our face. So I like to take this on the areas that I exfoliate, and at night, I use this all over my face. Probably every couple of nights I treat this all over my face and go to bed with it, because there's other routines that I do in the evening as well to treat my skin, and there's other hydrators that I like to use as well to sleep in at night. But this is definitely my go-to for the morning, so my skin is super hydrated in those dry, patchy areas, so my makeup and everything looks more flawless and hydrated and really silky and smooth. So this intense in this jar is like the bomb. .com All right, so this moisturizer, it's age fighting. It's for normal to dry skin, obviously. Okay, so this right here, I just got out of that moisturizer. Go ahead and take this all over for your daily moisturizer underneath your makeup. It's not going to be too heavy. It's not going to be too thick, but you definitely want a good, rich moisturizer that's doing the job without you feeling like it's too much underneath your makeup. So I love this one because it definitely hydrates, but also gives me anti-aging peptides that my skin definitely needs. I will tell y'all something that I've gotten into really doing, and it's patting my face. I mean, I literally... I feel like it just helps the blood circulate in my face, and it feels actually kind of great. So I love patting my face to put creams in, and it looks super silly, but it really is kind of great. So, so I like to treat that as well, and then I love to do a good eye cream all over. So let's do eye cream. This one, we can actually use the applicator. So I just kind of squirt this out. This metal applicator is super great, you guys, and I'm going to tell you why. It's because it actually takes the puffiness out of your eyes as you're doing your eye cream. So this ball is a cool metal ball, and I just kind of take it like this, and I take it on my eyelids. Now, your eyes age first, you guys. Make sure you're treating your eyes. Another thing is we don't have any oil glands in our eye area. So eye cream, eye cream, eye cream to just super hydration right through there. And just squirt a little bit more out. And I do the same thing to the other side. And it's not pulling and tugging, it's super gentle. Yeah. So anyways, it's my favorite, you guys. So that's my morning routine. So now my face is ready. I've gotten it together. My face is ready for makeup, hair, all the extras. So I appreciate y'all checking that out. Any questions, make sure you send me a message. Make sure you... my hair is tangly. But y'all are great. So anyways, that's my morning routine. I'm going to go get snuggly with my cup of coffee. And then I may do my makeup later. I don't know, but y'all are great. But that's morning routine. So make sure you're using great products. Make sure you're taking care of your skin first and foremost before you do anything else with makeup. So God bless you all. I love you. Mwah!